How to delete Instagram account permanently. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I am going to show you how you can do it easily. So first of all, start by opening your Instagram application. Once you are here, click on your profile button on the bottom right corner. Now go for the three bars on the top right. Once you are here, you have to go for the settings and privacy. So once you have entered here, you have to go for this account center, and if you have a Meta account center, you have to go for that. Otherwise, simply click on the account center, and both ways you will gonna end up being on the Meta account center. So once you are here, click on this personal details under the accounts. Once you have entered here, as you can see, account ownership and control. Now go for this deactivation or deletion. Now you have to select your Instagram account. So as you can see, there are two options. First one is deactivate, second one is delete account. So the first one is deactivating your account is temporary, and the second one is delete account, which is deleting your account is permanent. So you have to simply select that and go for this continue, and after that you have to give your password and you are good to go. So that's how basically you can delete Instagram account permanently.